Hi, welcome to KCAN's Well Spikes Sunday Sound Suggestions. We have been coming out with Sunday Sound Suggestions for the past few weeks. We are getting a very good response. We are seeing two kinds of customers coming in. One is customers who want a detailed explanation for every stock recommendation that we give. Another set of customers, they don't want to hear any of our detailed explanation. They just want to know whether they should buy or not. That's it. So we thought from this episode onwards, we'll cater to both kinds of customers. That is, in the recommendation, we'll just give the bullet point alone, whether to buy or not to buy. And in the explanation, we'll give orally the details. Apart from that, if you want to have a detailed explanation, you are most welcome to reach out in our WhatsApp number with your mail ID. We'll send you the detailed recommendation also to your mail ID. So from this episode onwards, we'll follow this new system. You are most welcome to give your comments on this. You can like, you can subscribe. You can also click on the bell button to encourage us more to come out with similar videos. So your support is required for us. Now we'll get into the subject. KCAN's Well Spikes presents Best Sunday Sound Suggestions for Stock Picks Ever, dated 13th June. Stocks and Recommendations. IOCL Chemicals ad. IOCL Chemicals posted an excellent FY21 with PAT of 444 crore while compared to 359 crore and EPS of 76 while compared to 63, and stepped the dividend from rupees 4 to rupees 6. The expansion underway is financed by internal accruals. So please add. Asahi Songwon Colors posted FY21 EBITDA rise of 44% and declared a dividend of 3.50 on an EPS of 26 while compared to 18.60 in FY20. The stock merits a buy. Analysts are giving a big thumbs up to Bharat Forge on expectations of rising exports and defense orders. Add. The fortunes of India Bulls Housing are changing after its recent tie-up with HDFC Bank. DIIs and FAIs are also adding the share to their holdings. Its asset-light balance sheet and expectation of another dividend can fuel another rally. Add. The management of PNB has guided that the bank may notch a PAT of 6,000 crore from 2,000 crore in FY21. Add for multi-bagger returns. Please make a note. Add for multi-bagger returns. Bank of Baroda will set off 11,048 crores loss against the share premium account. It makes no difference in the financials and its capital adequacy ratio will fall and create a false panic in the market. Please stay away for some time. Kindly make a note. Please stay away for some time from Bank of Baroda. Water technology major Watek Wabax Q4 profits were higher by 57% at 47 crore. Revenue from operations topped rupees 999 crore. An excellent long-term investment. Add. Teamly Services, a leading human resources company, posted a stellar Q4 with NP rising to 19 crore from a net loss of 29 crore in Q4 FY20. All its businesses have surpassed the pre-COVID levels with strong headcount growth. Add. The government has approved 708 proposals for construction of 3.61 lakh houses under the PMAY urban scheme. HUDCO will be a big beneficiary. By A sudden jump in the share price of Titan Biotech is indicative of superlative results which are around the corner. Buy this multi-bagger before it's too late. Please make a note. Buy this multi-bagger before it's too late. The unlocking process has begun. Wonderla Holidays is likely to bounce back soon. Start accumulating at these beaten down rates. You can accumulate in dips. Whenever there is a dip in the share price, you can accumulate this. Faircom Organics has been posting better results. The small cap company reported FY21 EPS of Rs 32 while compared to 26 last year. A good long-term investment. Marksans Pharma has issued convertible warrants to its promoters and other QIP investors convertible into shares at Rs 74 per share. Retail investors may take a cue and add. Power Grid. This is a good government script. Management of Power Grid is scheduled to meet after a week to consider the issue of bonus shares. The company is a good long-term buy. Add. Swen Pharma has entered in a tech transfer deal with CSIR IACT for COVID-19 drug Molnupiravir and 2DG. A positive for the company. Add. Anil Ambani has made it clear that he will increase his holding in Reliance Infra. SBI too has withdrawn the fraud tag on some ADA companies. This news will help boost its share price. Add. Cables and wires major Polycab plans to double its revenue by 2026. Profits are expected to rise faster on the back of robust demand and rising prices. Add. Cera Sanitary posted Q4 NP at Rs 49 crore, translating into a quarterly EPS of Rs 35. FY21 EPS was Rs 77 while compared to 28 last year. This share must be added. And then we go on to the next statutory risk disclosure. If you have any doubts or queries on trading and investing, you are most welcome to connect with us in the WhatsApp number given 91769411189. Please do like, subscribe, comment and click on the bell button. We will also reply to all your comments. Thank you so much for staying back.